My grandma told me I should never put cast iron in the dishwasher. What does she know? Ha ha!
So we can see it's already got a little bit of rust going. The pan, after it's been washed in the dishwasher, that's the 3. You can see the pan, and we'll just have to watch the time lapse. Okay, day 4. Here's the pan after the dishwasher.
I remember when my mama told me not to put my Bubba skillet in the dishwasher. She didn't have YouTube back then.
Here's day 5. After see how she looks today, you can definitely see there's some more rust building up over time. So that's the top of the pan. The pan still looks like, definitely looks like in that section that the rust is growing. Looking at the pan, let's see, rust. Guys, it's been about 10 days and we put this in the dishwasher, and everybody says don't put your cast iron pan in the dishwasher. And you know what? I gotta say I agree. So if you want to take a look at this pan, you can see, you know, the rust that started to form, and I only ran it in the dishwasher 1 time. And so it's not going to be that big of a deal to clean up afterwards, but this is what you don't want in a cast iron pan. All this rust, if you let it go over time, it's just going to continually corrode. And so my best recommendation is to not do it in the dishwasher and clean it the way I tell you in my other videos. In the meantime, I mean, hey, this is the back of the pan. Hardly anything happened to the back side of the pan. So my thought would be, don't put it in the dishwasher at the same time. Worse things could happen, like leaving it outside.